Hello, people of the internet, DedZed here, and today I'm going to be adding a little adjustment to one of the scripts we made earlier on, which was our toggle object script, which was basically this. So with this, I'm going to just highlight it to showcase, and I am going to create a group of that. And I'm just going to go name it basic control dash non synced. We can now see that I've just made a simple group to showcase that we have this system. With this, I want to focus on another system on how we can do a synced toggle system, which is quite simply a similar thing. How I'm going to do this is by showcasing a few new nodes. I am going to have another interact node. Oh, I can't have another interact node? Okay, I'm using this via a custom event custom, which is a basic custom thing what we can, and I'm just going to call it synced. With this, I am going to focus on making this basic script part synced. So with this, I'm going to add it up here. So I can hook up interact and all that. So I'm going to have a send custom event, which will be here. With this, I'm not going to hook it up or anything. But with this, I just want to press compile. There is no instance of string yet, which is weird. I'm going to focus on making it down here with the event. To send custom, no, we want to focus on send network event. Not custom event, send network event. With this, target all, because we want to target everyone. And then from this, I'm going to create another custom here. And I'm going to name it, I'm just going to go sync. I'm going to have this one named sync. And then I'm going to have this one named sync. You can name these whatever, but I'm naming it that. With this, I'm going to copy these objects. CV. With all this, we're just going to drag down. Get unary. Get self, get unary. And I'm going to put that there. With this, I gotta hook this up as that. And there. Meaning we're sending a networked event to this, which is gonna toggle it on and off for everyone. Not owner, not self, not others. It is gonna be everyone. So with this is just simply our simple sync script. That's our basic control. We can replace this with our interact node. We can also replace it with trigger, enter, or exit. And that is our, I'm going to create another group. I will move it, and I'm just going to go basic dash sync. That is simply it. We just needed to have a send custom network event to a custom event, which we have done there. We're targeting everyone, and we're actually running what needs to be done. So hopefully that has helped people learn something new, and I'll catch everybody again very soon. Bye bye.